Welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be taking out a e36 BMW. It's a 328i sedan, and I'm going to be taking out my 2000 Mazda Miata. These back roads included some tight switchbacks, some long stretches of road, and overall just a very scenic drive. And if you're into 90s JDM and German cars, consider subscribing. But besides that, let's get into the video. Can't really beat this. Top down, another fellow Miata. The sun going down. These roads are amazing. Oh man, that is fun. You don't need a lot of speed, you can just keep it in second. I'm trying my best just to blip the throttle and be very cautious that, you know, I'm in an area that is new to me. I know I could push it and go a little bit faster, but I want to be, you know, aware that people are outside and other people are using the road. It's much different than being on the racetrack, you know, where you can go 10/10ths all the time. Whereas here, I'm being a little conservative and I'm just having a little bit of fun, you know, just some good old spirited driving here, so. Sorry, Ray. I just gotta let it open up a little bit. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Oh yeah.
How'd that sound?
I don't know. I guess we'll have to look back at the footage, but man, it looked cool.
That's sick.
are so tight. But the Miata just loves it. So much grip. So much grip. Poor brakes. They must be on fire right now. Alright. I should probably settle down a little bit here. Wow, this is epic. I didn't think it was going to be this good. I am 100% coming back here. This is something really special. I might pull over to the side, let Ray catch up and let this Sienna go. Just need to find a good spot to get off here.